Good day, ladies and gents. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a habit tracker in Notion. So let's open up a new page and name it Habit Tracker. Now let's go ahead and press on the three dots on the top right and select full width for our page. Now we need to search for table view, and where it says the data source, select new database. And in here where it says untitled, type in habits. Now where it says tags, let's delete this one, delete property, and also from here let's press on the plus icon, and in the menu here let's select date. And from the date to the right you want to click on the plus icon and add every single habit that you want and name them. So for that let's click on the plus. Now let's select checkbox. And of course, do not forget that you need to name them. So it's named checkbox by default. You might want to change it to whatever you want, doctor appointment for example. And if you want, you can also change the icon so that depending on the kind of activity you want to achieve, it's easier to understand. So you can click on here and select whatever you want among all of these icons here. For example, I will choose this icon. And just like I said, remember you can add as many as you want. Do not forget to click on the plus icon here, name it in anything you want. Also do not forget to choose the checkbox, name it. Okay, now it's ready. And of course if you want, choose a respective icon for your activity. You can also resize the column. So if you want to make them smaller or fit them precisely like this, you can do that as so that you can fit in more of your habits in here. Okay, and from here you might want to add a progress bar. So for that, click on the plus icon. Now from the drop down menu, select formula and name it progress. Now we need to edit our formula, and from here type in to number, and now you want to click on a certain habit, for example the first one that I've created, then select the next habit that you've created, and now press on done. Now let's select our progress bar as show as setting, and as you can see now in progress we have our progress bar currently at 0, meaning 0 completion. Okay, so now from here you want to select your color if you want. I'm going to choose for example yellow, and you need to adjust a divide by setting to the amount of habits that you have. So as I have made 2, I'm going to input 2. And you can also turn off the show number just to see the progress bar itself, or you can just leave it on if you want. Okay, so now that when you click on the checkboxes here, as you can see our progress bar starts filling up as so, and everything works perfectly. And this is how you make your habit tracker on Notion. As always, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment, and I will see you in the next video.